Top 7 Hottest Peppers in the World. Here are the top 7 hottest peppers in the world, measured by their Scoville Heat Units, S.H.U, which is a scale that measures the spiciness or heat of chili peppers. 1. Carolina Reaper, 2,200,000 to 2,200,000 S.H.U. The Carolina Reaper currently holds the Guinness World Record for being the hottest pepper. It was created by Ed Currie of the PuckerButt Pepper Company in South Carolina, USA. 2. Trinidad Moruga Scorpion, 1,200,000 to 2 million S.H.U. This pepper was previously the record holder for the world's hottest pepper and is native to Trinidad and Tobago. 3. 7 Pot Douglah, 800,000 to 1,853,936 S.H.U. Another super hot pepper from Trinidad. The 7 Pot Douglah, also known as the chocolate 7 Pot, has a dark brown color. 4. 7 Pot Primo, 1,473,480 S.H.U. Developed by horticulturist Troy Primo, the 7 Pot Primo is a cross between a Naga Morich and a Trinidad 7 Pot pepper. 5. Trinidad Scorpion Butch T, 800,000 to 1,463,700 S.H.U. This pepper is another variation of the Trinidad Scorpion and was developed by Butch Taylor of Zydeco Hot Sauce in the United States. 6. Naga Viper, 900,000 to 1,382,118 S.H.U. A hybrid chili pepper created in the United Kingdom. The Naga Viper is a cross between the Naga Morich, Pot Douglah, and Trinidad Scorpion peppers. 7. Ghost Pepper, Pot Douglah, 855,000 to 1,041,427 S.H.U. Native to India. The ghost pepper was one of the hottest peppers in the world before being surpassed by the Carolina Reaper and others. Please note that the ranking and S.H.U. levels may change as new peppers are developed and tested. Also, consuming extremely hot peppers can be dangerous, and handling them requires caution to avoid skin and eye irritation. Always use caution and moderation when dealing with these peppers.